Finally, Google Pixel 6 leak just revealed a big upgrade and possibly a Pixel 6 XL. As for the last year, Google took a risk by abandoning the top of the range Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset for the Pixel 5. Instead, it opted for the mid-range Snapdragon 765, which allowed the company to keep costs down while still delivering 5G connectivity. So now this year with the Pixel 6, they are finally going to bring the Snapdragon 775 chipset. Also, as for the recent upgrades, Google also looks set to restore facial recognition for the Pixel 6, and there could be a big screen Pixel 6 XL on the way. The news comes by the way of XDS Michelle Rahman on Twitter, who has dug into the settings of the recent developer preview of the Android 12 OS. The code directly references a way to unlock your phone securely with your face and fingerprints. So it does seem plausible that Google is planning on supporting facial authentication as well as under-display fingerprint sensor in the Pixel 6. Previously, Google has included the facial recognition in Pixel 4, but in the Pixel 5, they have removed it. And now this time, they're also going to bring that again back. Michelle Rahman also revealed that by enabling the Silky Home functionality, the system setting UI is tweaked to be more accommodating for one-hand use. The UI setting is similar to the Samsung's One UI, which is used on its more substantial phones. This is significant because a UI like this would most commonly be used in phones with larger screens. Adding the pieces together, it's a strong indicator that a Pixel 6 XL may be on the horizon. While previously each Pixel generation was released in either a standard or XL version, the Pixel 5 was only available in a single 6-inch model. Though renders of the Pixel XL did materialize, the device itself never did. And evidences are certainly mounting to suggest that the Pixel 6 XL will be part of the next flagship phone lineup from the Google. With all these rumors and theories flying around about the next model in the Google's Pixel range, so if you're going to buy the upcoming Google Pixel 6 and if you have any queries regarding that thing, please make sure to leave a comment below and we will see you in the video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.